Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today we are going to learn about Polygon. So what is a polygon, how many types are there, and later sessions one after one will get understand. Okay. So what is Polygon? A two-dimensional shape which is enclosed by a finite number of straight lines joining in form of a closed loop is called a polygon. Okay. In case of if you consider any two-dimensional figures, so this is a triangle. So there are three lines joining in form of a closed loop. Correct. In the same way, square. Okay, rhombus like this. Okay, trapezium something. If you consider any two-dimensional figures or if it is in closed loop, okay, so that we call it as a polygon. How many types are there? There are many types. One is regular polygon and irregular and convex and concave, etc. like this. So we'll talk about the regular polygon. So regular polygon, all the sides of polygon are equal and all the interior angles are same. సో ఏమంటున్నారు ఇక్కడ రెగ్యులర్ పాలిగాన్ వచ్చేసరికి ఆల్ ద సైడ్స్ ఆర్ పాలిగాన్ ఈక్వల్ అంట, సైడ్స్ ఈక్వల్ అండ్ ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆల్సో ఈక్వల్. యూ కన్సిడర్ స్క్వేర్ హియర్. ఓకే, all the sides are in the same and also interior angles also same, exactly 90 degrees, everything is the same way. If you consider equilateral triangle, all the sides are same and all the angles also same. If you observe these kind of figures now, so then this you can directly say those are the regular polygons. అయితే రెగ్యులర్ పాలిగన్స్ లో క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలాగ అడుగుతాడంటే, సమ్ యాంగిల్ ఇచ్చేస్తాడు. ఓకే, లెట్ సపోజ్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్స్ ఇస్తాడు, యాంగిల్ అంతా ఒక్కొక్క సైడ్కి యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది అని అడగచ్చు. లేదా యాంగిల్ ఇస్తాడు, నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ సైడ్స్ ఉంటాయని అడగచ్చు ఆ పాలిగన్లోని. అలాగా సో ఈ విధంగా అడగే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. సో అలాగే నంబర్ ఆఫ్ డయాగ్నల్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి కూడా అడిగే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉండొచ్చు. సో హియర్ సి వేర్ ఐఎమ్ కన్సిడరింగ్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు నంబర్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్స్ అండ్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్స్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ అట్ దిస్ స్క్వేర్ దేర్ ఆర్ 4 sides and 4 angles, so n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4 here. The same way triangle, their triangle in equilateral triangle, the angles are 3 and sides also 3, so I can say n is equal to 3. Okay, so in such case, see I told you n is equal to number of angles or sides. అయితే sum of external angles ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం చూడండి. sum of all external angles is 360 degrees. Let's suppose if you look at this square only, this is internal angle 1, this is external angle. The same way this is external angle, this is external angle, this is external angle. So all the external angle, if you add it 90 90 90, it will become 360. Okay, in the same way this is triangle. Okay, for the triangle also same. If you draw these lines here, so this angle is 120 and this angle is 120 and this angle is 120. So this angle is 120. So if it is 90, this is 120, 120, 120, 120. All the red angles is 120, 120, 120, 120 is 360. So that's why we can say that sum of all external angles is equal to 360. If you want to find a specific each external angle, let's suppose this is the one. Okay, this is the external angle 1. If you want to find this external angle 1, then you have to use 360 by n, where n is equal to number of sides. So number of sides is 4. So 360 by 4, which is equal to 90. So each external angle కావాలంటే you should use this formula 360 by n. So this is about external angle. Now let's discuss about the internal angles. Okay, internal angle, sum of all internal angles is equal to 180 into n minus 2. Okay, అలాగే each internal angle కావాలంటే n minus 2 into 180 the same way, but dividing by n. The same way number of diagonals is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. The same way internal angle plus external angle is equal to 180. Let's understand better one after one. So I'm taking equilateral triangle. So this is 1, this is 2, angle 2, this is angle 3. In equilateral triangle we know, right, all the angles will become 180 degrees. Right. So in this, how many sides are there? 3 sides. Let's take this formula. 180 into 3 minus 2, which is equal to 180 into 1. So 180. So same. So all the angles, sum of all internal angles is this formula. So if you want to find each angle, then you have to divide it by n, where n is equal to 3 here also 3, which is equal to 60. So each angle, this is also 60 degrees, this is also 60 degrees, this is also 60 degrees. Okay, hope it's clear. Now let's try to understand about the diagonals. So diagonals are find out just now. Let's suppose if you consider square, how many diagonals will be there? 2, right? 2 diagonals. We know that. So but let's try to understand with this formula. So diagonals, number of diagonals formula find formula into this one. So where n square lo number of sides n, so n is equal to 4, right? So substitute n is equal to 4. 4 minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 4 into 1, 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. Hope it's clear. If you take pentagon, it will be like a 5. If you take hexagon, it will be like some other value. Okay. So this is about the finding number of diagonals where n is equal to number of sides or angles. The same way, interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. So let's talk about this. So this is equilateral triangle. This is okay internal angle. So we know that this is 60, all equilateral triangle, and this is external angle. Correct? This x. Right. So if you look at this diagram, so this is a straight line. If this is a straight line, the angle is 180 degrees. Correct? Which means x plus 60 is equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to 120 degrees. That's it. If it is 120, 120 plus 60 is equal to 180. The internal angle plus external angle is equal to 180. The same, if you observe this internal angle is 90 degrees. Okay, this external angle is also 90 degrees. Now 90 plus 90, it becomes 180 degrees. So this is about this one. Okay, basic concepts on regular polygon. So please remember all these things. So let's solve let's understand what are the types of questions they can ask based on this. Let's solve one after one. See here, example 1. If an interior angle of a regular polygon is 135 degrees, then find the number of sides. Polygon, it's a polygon, right? So interior angle of polygon is 135 degrees. So theta and 135, which is all okay. And number of sides adutunnadu. So number of sides n anukuntunnam kada, n find out cheyamannadu. Interior angle of a polygon, which means single angle ichchadu, right? Single angle ichchadu. Interior angle formula enti, there are two formulas I have, sum of and each. So here oka angle ichchadu kabatti ikkada single angle kosam maatladutunnaru kabatti each interior angle formula teeskovali, which is equal to theta is equal to n minus 2 into 180 by n. Okay. So now substitute theta is equal to 135 and n minus 2 into 180. So 180 minus 360 by n. So n it becomes 135n. Right. 135n is equal to 180n minus 360. So 180n 135 minus అవుతుంది, 360 ఇట్స్ also plus అవుతుంది. So 180 లో 135 ఇస్తే it become 45n is equal to 360. So n is equal to 360 by 45. ఎంత 45 1 ja 45, 2 is 90, 8 z, right? 45 8 z. So n is equal to 8. So a polygon యొక్క number of sides ఎన్ని ఉంటే 8. 8 is nothing but it's a octagon. Okay, this is the octagon. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the regular polygon shape, which is the angle is internal angle is 135 degrees. Every angle is 135. So this is how you should supposed to use the formula. In the same way, see, if sum of all interior angles of regular polygon is 540, find the number of sides. In the each angle ichchadu, okay, number of sides find cheyam. Sum of angles ichchadu. So sum of angles is equal to 540. So 540 is equal to formula 180 into n minus 2, right? So which is equal to, so 540 is equal to 180n minus 360. So 180n is equal to 540 plus 360 ఎంత అవుతుంది? 800, 920. So n is equal to 540 plus 360 is 900, right? So 900. So 900 by 180. 0 0 cancel. 18 5 is 90. So n is equal to 5. So which means pentagon. So pentagon. So this is 5 shape. This one. So this is called pentagon. Now see another question. If sum of all interior angles of regular hexagon అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఇక్కడ hexagon అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. నాకు తెలియదు hexagon అంటే ఎన్ని షేప్స్ ఎన్ని సైడ్స్ ఉంటాయని. ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మెనీ రైట్ యాంగిల్స్ అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నాకు తెలియని పదం ఏంటంటే hexagon. See, let's suppose ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకుంటే ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ఎ 3 sides, రైట్? క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్ తీసుకుంటే ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ఎ 4 sides. పెంటాగాన్ is 5. Hexagon is equal to 6. Heptagon is equal to 7. Octagon is equal to 8. Nanogon is equal to 9. And decagon is equal to 10. So these are the number of sides. Please remember this. సో హెక్సాగాన్ అడుగుతున్నాడు ఇక్కడ, హెక్సాగాన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 6. సో విచ్ మీన్స్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 6. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఆఫ్ రెగ్యులర్ హెక్సాగాన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మెనీ రైట్ యాంగిల్స్ అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ ఫార్మ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ ఫార్ములా తీసుకోండి. సో ఐఎమ్ కన్సిడరింగ్ థీటా 180 into n minus 2, right? So 180 into 6 minus 2 is 4, which is equal to 180 into 4 is 720. So sum of interior angles 920 వచ్చాయి, బట్ హౌ మెనీ రైట్ యాంగిల్స్ అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. అప్పుడు రైట్ యాంగిల్స్ నాకు తెలియాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి, 720 by రైట్ యాంగిల్ is 90 degrees, right? You should do this. 0 0 cancel, 9 8 just. So sum of all interior angle of regular hexagon is equal to 8 right angles అని చెప్పాలి మన ఆన్సర్. అండర్స్టూడ్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నేను ఓవరాల్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేశాను, దాన్ని నేను రైట్ యాంగిల్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి 90తో డివైడ్ చేశాను. సో 8 వచ్చింది ఆన్సర్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్. నో సి ఫైండ్ ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ రెగ్యులర్ పాలిగాన్ ఇఫ్ మెజర్స్ ఈచ్ ఇంటర్నల్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ 160 degrees. సో నేను ఫస్ట్ వన్ చేస్తాను, రిమైనింగ్ 3 అసైన్మెంట్ ఇస్తున్నాను చూడండి. సో ఈచ్ ఇంటర్నల్ యాంగిల్ అన్నాడు. సో ఈచ్ ఇంటర్నల్ యాంగిల్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, 180 n minus 2 by n. So if its theta is 160 and 180 n minus 360 by n, right? So ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, 160 n is equal to 180 n minus 360. So ఇది అటు ఇది అటు పంపిస్తే I will get 180 minus 160 which is equal to 20, n is equal to 360. So n is equal to 360 by 20. So n is equal to 0 0 cancel and 8. So number of sides is equal to 8 or number of angles. So number of sides అడిగాడు కాబట్టి number of sides is equal to 18. So that is the answer. సో ఒకదానికి నేను చేసాను, రిమైనింగ్ 3 మీరు అసైన్మెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ద సేమ్ ఫార్ములా. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ హౌ యూ షుడ్ డూ. నౌ ఐ మూవింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఈచ్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రెగ్యులర్ పాలిగాన్ ఈజ్ 72 degrees అండి. ఇప్పటివరకు మన ఇంటర్నల్ యాంగిల్స్ కోసం మాట్లాడడం. నౌ లెట్స్ టాక్ అబౌట్ ద ఎక్స్టర్నల్ యాంగిల్. సో ఎక్స్టర్నల్ యాంగిల్, ఈచ్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రెగ్యులర్ పాలిగాన్ ఈజ్ 72 degrees అన్నాడు. అండ్ ఫైండ్ ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్స్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా, లెట్స్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద ఫార్ములా. ఈచ్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 360 by n. ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ వెరీ ఈజీ ఫార్ములా, రైట్? So each external angle, which means 72 is equal to 360 by n, which is equal to n is equal to 360 by 72. 72 1 ja, 72 2 ja 144, right? 72 144 144 288 and 5 ja. So n is equal to 5. Number of sides anta 5 అవుతుంది. Hope it's clear. So in this way you should supposed to use this formula. And ratio of internal angle to external angle of regular polygon is 2:1 అన్నాడు. Find the number of sides అడుగుతున్నాడు. Internal angle to external angle, you can take either thing. Okay, in each internal angle, each external angle నేను ఫార్ములా తీసుకుంటున్నాను. Each internal external angle 360 by n, each internal angle n minus 180 by n. సో రేషియో అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఇంటర్నల్ టు ఎక్స్టర్నల్ అంటున్నాడు కాబట్టి ఇంటర్నల్ పైన వేయండి, 180 into n minus 2 by n by external is 360 by n. Right, which is equal to 2:1 అంటున్నాడు. 2 by 1, 2:1 to 1 రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. n cancel. So now which is equal to 180 n minus 2 by 360, this is 180 is equal to 2 by 1. So 181 ja 182 ja. So ఇప్పుడు n minus 2 is equal to 4 అవుతుంది. So n is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. So number of sides of polygon anta 6 అవుతుంది. So this is how you should use. Just try to understand the question first of all, then apply it. Now find the angle which is 5 times of supplementary angle అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. Now we know actually supplementary angle, sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees, right? Theta 1 plus theta 2. But ఇక్కడ నేను కన్సిడర్ చేసుకున్నట్టు both angles are like theta and theta 1. theta అంటున్నాడు, find the angle which is 5 times of its supplementary angle అంటున్నాడు. సో ఒక థీటా ఉంచుకున్నా, ఒక థీటాని అటు సైడ్ పంపిస్తున్నాను, ఇట్ బికమ్స్ దిస్ వన్. సో ఈ థీటా అనేది 5 times అంట, అదర్ యాంగిల్కి 5 times అంట. ఓకే, నౌ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ థీటా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 180 into 5, 18 5 7, 18 5 90. సో 900 minus 5 theta. 5 theta అటు సైడ్ వెళ్తే 6 theta అవుతుంది. థీటా ప్లస్ థీటా 6 theta is equal to 900. సో థీటా is equal to 900 by 6. How much? 3 2 ja 3 3 ja, which is equal to 150. సో థీటా ఎంత అవుతుంది, 150. 5 times ఒక థీటా 150 అయితే ఇంకొక థీటా ఎంత అవుతుంది, 30. సో చూడండి 330కి 150కి 5 times ఉన్న డిఫరెన్స్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఆప్షన్. ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ఫైండ్ ద యాంగిల్ విచ్ ఇస్ 5 times. 5 times ఉన్న యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమని కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 150, నాట్ 130, ఇట్స్ 150. So in the same way, see last example also same question. Find the angle which is 4 times of complementary angle. Complementary angle is theta plus theta is equal to 90 degrees, right? So ఒక theta కావాలని ఒక theta అటు సైడ్ పంపించాలి. So now ఈ theta ఒక angle ఏమో 4 times of other angle అంటున్నాడు, which means 4 times of 90 minus theta, which is equal to theta is equal to 9 4 is 360 minus 4 theta. 4 theta ఎటు సైడ్ వస్తే 5 theta is equal to 360 and theta is equal to 360 by 5, which is equal to 72. Okay, so this is basically interior angle, exterior angle, diagonal based questions. Now let's move to the area. How to find the area of a regular polygon. See here I consider a pentagon which are 5 sides and there is internal all the touching sides in internal circle గీసాను. So if ఈ polygon pentagon polygon కి okay area find out చేయాలంటే half into perimeter into apothem. So what is apothem actually? So apothem is the distance between P and Q. So can I say this is in internal circle to that pentagon and it is, can I say that is the radius, in radius? So apothem is also called in radius, which is equal to PQ. So perimeter ante it number of sides into length of the side. So S is equal to here, this is length of the side and number of n is equal to number of sides or angles. So perimeter is equal to n into S, which means 5 into S for the in coming to the pentagon, and apothem is equal to PQ. So apothem ni A anukuntunnanu, perimeter ni P anukuntunnanu, so the formula will become half into P into A. So this is perimeter formula, n into number of sides into length of the side, and apothem A is equal to S by side length of the side by 2 tan 180 by n. This is the formula you should remember. And total area of the polygon becomes half into P into A, right? If you multiply both perimeter and apothem, then it becomes n s square into cot 180 and 180 by n by 4. Whereas n is equal to number of angles or sides, whereas s is equal to side of length of the side. Okay, so with this we can find the formulas. Equilateral triangle ki formula enti avutadi, alage pentagon ki square formula em avutadi. Okay, let's understand. So equilateral triangle number of sides enni unte cheppandi. First of all, equilateral triangle ki number of sides n is equal to 3 and s we don't know, s and s anukuntunnam. So formula ante area is equal to n 3 s square cot 180 by n. 180 by n ante anta 60, right, by 4. So 3 s square cot 60 is nothing but cot is equal to cos by sin, right? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. 2 cancel is 1 by root 3, which means 4 root 3. So 3 నేను ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు, root 3 into root 3 రాసుకోవచ్చా? S square by 4 root 3. So root 3 cancel, so I'll get root 3 by 4 into side square. So equilateral triangle formula ante 4 into root 3 a square. Sometimes we call it as a side as a a, right? So this is, if you consider this is equilateral triangle, this we can sometimes we call it as a, sometimes we call it as a s. So here I wrote as s, so area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 is s square. Okay, so now I'm talking about the square. We know the area of square is equal to a into a, right? Let's try to understand here. Square ki area anta ela cheddam chudandi. So number of sides andi 4, s side length of the side is equal to s anukuntunnanu. So area a is equal to 4 s square cot 180 by 4 is 45, right, by 4. 4 cancel and we have cot 45 is equal to 1, so answer is equal to a square. So area is equal to a square. We know that side into side. Got it, right? So in the same way, I'll tell just only till pentagon. You can use, okay, you can do it for yourself for hexagon, heptagon, octagon, and anagon and decagon. The area of the form area find out cheskondi, atlike find out cheskoni note cheskondi. So pentagon ki number of sides enni unte 5 and s is equal to s anukuntunnanu. So area is equal to 5 into s square cot 180 by 5, how much? 3 is 6 is 36, right? 36 cos 36 by 4, which is equal to 5 by 4 s square. Cot 36 formula enti we already learned in trigonometry, correct? So cot 36 kavalante naku Sin 36 by cos 36. So cos 36 by sin 36, right? So cot 36 కావాలంటే cos 36 by sin 36. So cos 36 ఎంత root 5 plus 1 by 4 and 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. 4 cancel. If you solve this, root 5 plus 1 by root over 10 minus 2 root 5. Okay, if you substitute this one here, then you will get some value. So this is cot 36 degrees. So this is the area. In the same way, just try to find for the hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon. Okay, so whatever you got, that will be the answer. So this is about the area, and there are lot many types. So I told you, right, irregular as of now we discussed about regular polygons. Now I'm talking about the irregular polygons. Irregular polygon is opposite to the regular, so which means it has sides and angles are not equal, which means all the irregular shape, it is a irregular shape. If you consider isosceles triangle, only two sides are equal, other side is not equal. So in the, okay, or quadrilateral with unequal sides. So all these are like irregular polygons. And there is a convex polygon if measure interior angle is less than 180 degrees. If interior angle is less than 180 degrees, then there is a convex polygon. And concave polygon వచ్చేసరికి అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ యాంగిల్ అనేది 180 degrees కంటే గ్రేటర్ అయి ఉండాలి, మోర్ దెన్ అయి ఉండాలి. ఇఫ్ సచ్ కేస్ దట్ ఈస్ ఎ కాన్కేవ్ పాలిగాన్. దిస్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ ద పాలిగాన్. లెట్స్ టుమారో విల్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ట్రయాంగిల్ and then circle and then move next etc. Okay, hope it's clear. We'll meet on the next session. Thank you.